Italy, one of the countries mentioned in that report there. And to talk a bit more about what is happening in Italy, we can cross now to Rome. Seema Gupta, our correspondent, is standing by. Seema, tell us then, what are the new rules coming into force where you are?
Well, essentially, what they've decided is that any arrival from the European Union into Italy, all those travelers will have to get tested 24 hours before, and only with a negative test then they come in. And if you're unvaccinated, that's just for the vaccinated. If you're unvaccinated, the test is required, and on top of that, you have to self-isolate for 5 days. Now, the Prime Minister Mario Draghi is saying very clearly that these restrictions are necessary. He defended it, saying that it's because of the Omicron variant. There was a necessity to protect the healthcare system. They didn't want to see it get overwhelmed. In fact, he said there's really not very much to reflect on. It's just a test. It's what's required and already in place for arrivals from the United Kingdom. And so now it should be extended simply because maximum caution should be the basis for those decisions. And in fact, speaking here in Italy before traveling to this EU summit in Brussels, he said that they've already achieved a level of some kind of normalcy here in Italy because of the heavy price of 134,000 lives lost to COVID-19. And they want to defend that tooth and nail.
And what's reaction been to this among Italians? Surely this will make it hard for Italians abroad to come home for Christmas.
Yes, indeed, but it's a test. And if you test negative, you can travel here to Italy. And I think for a lot of Italians here in Italy, they're happier with this additional restriction in terms of an additional test that's just going to go towards preserving this level of so-called normalcy. There is concern about the impact that this is going to have on the healthcare system. At the moment, though, in the country, we've got 88% of the population over the age of 12 already vaccinated, and they've already started as well recently this week vaccinations for those between 5 and 11 years of age. So the idea being that if this test is going to protect us, why not? Concern about travel and coming back, yes, an additional problem, but perhaps an additional protection as well.
Seema Gupta in Rome, thank you very much.